Welcome to the Capitol Kempinski Hotel Singapore, a heritage icon where timeless European elegance meets the vibrant heartbeat of the Lion City. In this video, we'll explore its beautifully restored neoclassical buildings, various room types, facilities, and refined dining options. Ready to discover this architectural gem? Let the journey begin. Housed within the restored Capitol Building and Stamford House, the hotel combines 1930s neoclassical architecture with modern European design. The lobby features marble floors, high ceilings and chandeliers, and connects directly to the Capitol complex's retail and dining spaces. The Capitol Kempinski offers a range of room categories, including heritage suites and the presidential suite. Interiors feature high ceilings, large windows for natural light, and a neutral palette accented by bespoke furniture and rich textures.
So this one is the heritage room, the biggest room we have in Kempinski Hotel, and it consists of this pretty spacious living room. Next one, you go to the bedroom. The bedroom equipped with the king-size bed, like working area. You can work here, or you can make up here. It all depends on your preferences. And the cool point about this particular room, voila, and you have your TV right in front of you. What next here? The spacious bathroom. It is big, you can easily be here with your family, like even you don't want to talk to your husband, never mind, you can be on one side, you can be on another side. And so far my favorite spot in this bathtub, where you can enjoy the view on the center part of Singapore.
Bathrooms are finished in marble with deep soaking bathtubs, separate rain showers, and amenities by Salvatore Ferragamo. Selected rooms overlook Stamford Road, offering views of both restored heritage buildings and the modern city skyline. The hotel features several dining options, including 15 Stamford by Alvin Leung, serving contemporary cuisine in a modern setting, and the Lobby Lounge, known for afternoon tea and evening drinks. The adjacent arcade at the Capitol Kempinski offers additional restaurants, cafes, and boutiques.
One cool thing about this particular hotel is that we have two buildings. One is traditional with the rooms and bars, and another is a Capitol building, well located with show theater and lots of bistros and cafes and bar, so you can be spoiled by choice of different places you can find here.
The fourth floor houses a sheltered saltwater relaxation pool, a compact fitness center, and the hotel's own spa. The spa offers a range of treatments, allowing guests to unwind without leaving the property. The Capitol Kempinski also excels as an event venue. The Atelier function space is a stylish, light-filled setting, perfect for executive meetings, private celebrations, and intimate weddings, all supported by impeccable service and gourmet catering. Located in Singapore's civic and cultural district, the hotel is near the National Museum, National Gallery, Chimes, Fort Canning Park, and many other attractions. From its stately architecture and heartfelt service to its culinary excellence and unbeatable location, the Capitol Kempinski Hotel Singapore offers more than just a luxury stay. It's an invitation to slow down, savor the moment, and experience the very essence of Kempinski's 125-year tradition of excellence. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Capitol Kempinski Hotel Singapore, a heritage treasure in the heart of the city. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury hotel reviews and curated travel inspiration from around the world. And if you're dreaming of your own bespoke Singapore stay or any unforgettable getaway across the globe, RSPU Global Travel will make it seamless, personalized, and extraordinary. From iconic heritage hotels to tailor-made itineraries, your journey begins with RSPU Travel. Let's explore the world together, one destination at a time.